If y'all don't know my name, True Valdez. True, whatever y'all wanna call me.
If I grab stuff in this leaf, it got me dozing off. Riding with my strap, 2 pounds inside, quarter brick around. I've been smacking plays all day long, ran up a 50 ball. The feds up on my ass, they run these tags and I'm a dish this car. My bitch keep calling my phone like, babe, when the fuck is you coming home? Got 1,000 beans up in the joint, I ain't leaving till they I'm gone. Running back and forth to the plug, shit like a triathlon. If I catch this low, then I'ma gonna put my little brother on. We been robbing, jacking, scheming, scamming, hustling for so long. Supposed to see my slut, but I'm counting up, so I had to postpone. Put them pointers in my ear and then I went and threw them bucks on. You ain't trying to shop with us, then little nigga, get the fuck on. Flew to LA to get some weed, took them racks and sent them bones back. My shorty taking pictures with the cheese, I told her don't post it. Niggas get the beef and I get the tweaking where that smoke at. Real killer stepping on these niggas like a flow mat. Robbed a nigga, now we texting begging for his dope back. LOL with the laugh emoji is what I wrote back. They tryna have a cook-off in that kitchen, where your coke at? I really can't see no competition, these niggas dope whack. Remember I was young, I sold a nigga a whole fleece pack. One time shopping cops, so I ain't worried about his feedback. Serving out in public like I ain't worried about what the police say. And it's about $1